trying to manifest something out of thin air. It's extremely mysterious in nature. If you want to read a concept in physics, you want to understand thermodynamics, or you want to understand something in chemistry, the organic chemistry, how this molecule interacting with that molecule creates another molecule, this element interacting with that element, hydrogen interacting with oxygen in a particular fashion, it will create another different molecule. All of this stuff, it's like, okay, it might be difficult to wrap your head around these concepts at times, but yeah, it can still be there's not a lot of mystery around it. Here, you like see, because at the end of the day, you just have to understand few variables in that realm of chemistry, physics, and all that. However, here the observer itself has to be having a huge amount of self-awareness. That is because the moment you start, for you to properly understand manifestation, like the people struggle is that they're already like so engrossed in an ego where they have their worldview itself is tilted and they're not able to look at it. So yeah, that's the thing for you. The thing which is making you not understand manifestation is not necessarily you. No, it's you actually. It's not the literature that's there. It's the work on you. For you to create a bike, or for you to create a car, or for you to create a sewing machine, or for you to create a grow a few plants, it's you have to work on things that are external and apply logic. But for manifestation to make sense, you'll have to work on internal, and that's the most mysterious and difficult part. That's why it kind of becomes difficult.